My name is Shannon.
And I'm Vwendla.
We're from Australia and we've bought this house. So my grandmother was born in Hiroshima and married an Australian soldier. Moved back to Australia in the mid-40s, 1940s. We still have family in Hiroshima. So we found this little house on the internet. I think after we'd engaged Lester to help us with our searches.
Guess you will always need someone to be in the house because they want to see someone.
Lester supplied us with a bunch of houses. We kept looking as you do, and Vwendla found this house.
So we had specific ideas of what we wanted with the house. Like we wanted a relatively small house because we're not staying here for any length of time. We needed a small garden because it has to be manageable because we're not here all the time to look after it. So we had to have the shops available, the transport available. So we started off looking for houses with that criteria in mind.
So we purchased a house in France some time ago and realised when we purchased that the international laws were so different to Australia, and also the language barrier was restrictive, I guess. We would need to be fluent in the local language, and we would need to understand all of the local laws around purchasing of the property. So we knew we would need help. So when Vwendla went online to find someone, I came across Lester. Lester sent a reply back, and he took it from there. Provided a really good service on helping us understand how to purchase a house, the customs and traditions of Japan for the purchase of the house, and all of the rules and regulations around that.
So he did all the dealings with those, the legal dealings with the all the government requirements. Those we got, the documentation was sent to us in Australia, so we went through it. Lester explained everything in great detail, what we were reading, and that we understood what we were looking at. Actually sitting there with, so he did the sale, he did the translating for us, so we had to be present at the time of the signing.
Now the gas is coming. Plus, obviously the toilet which we've just had installed today. So all of those have Lester's had a hand in in some way, shape or form. And just to be perfectly blunt, it's just made the whole process so much easier than us struggling through, again, the language barrier, all the rules around that. In Australia, I could probably put that toilet in myself, but here I cannot.
And it's things like how the services, some companies in some areas will allow overseas payments, online payments and that, but
he makes the money go to the right people. We just make sure that we've got enough money there for that. So it's really quite handy, especially in this initial period.
I'll be worrying about
getting our feet underneath us and getting established in the house.
that was him.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, very happy. We love it. We love it. We're looking forward to getting in now and doing things. Mainly cleaning.
Cleaning first, then the gardens.
It's having a good time.